Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 11 Pro and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So I'd like to show you two different ways. Let's start with the contact list, so we can block the number which you've got currently saved on your contacts. So let's find the contact and tap on it, and then pick the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now tap on block numbers and confirm it with tapping on block, and as you can see we've got this characteristic icon. It is also notified here, which simply means that from now on your device will block all incoming calls and messages from this number. Of course, if you want to, you can unblock it here, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So another way of blocking the number, it's more manual, I would say, and it does not really matter on which mode you will be here. Simply tap on the three dots icon and tap on the settings. And here we have to enter blocked numbers. That's our block list. As you can see, this is the number from our contacts. We just blocked it. So the first way also works. And as I said, the second way is more manual. It is because after tapping on this section, you can simply enter the number you'd like to block. You can also paste it here if you've got it copied, and then tap on block. And your device will immediately appear it, will apply it on the blacklist. If you want to unblock the number, nothing easier. Just tap on this X button right next to it and confirm it. And here we've got also the option unknown, which simply means that after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will block calls from all unidentified callers. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.